Okay, well, thank you very much, Malaysia, sama ng Philippines. Kumusta tayo po? And ito po, si Nico Fabian sa special coverage natin. And ngayon, nandito tayo sa Boracay Island Resort. And later on, I'm going to bring around sa inyo po para makikita ninyo po. So you will be able to see kung ano talaga ang Boracay, no? So far, ang daming tao sa beach talaga tayo dito ngayon. And ang daming tao dito, no, every day. And as what I said, na-notice din ako po dito, ang mga turista dito are mostly domestic tourists. Together with me dito po sa special coverage natin, Nick Talk, Real Talk with Nico in Boracay is no other than si Mr. Danny Retorta, no? Si Mr. Danny Retorta. And kasama ko si Mr. Danny dahil may event kami dito sa Boracay, and that is the General Assembly ng Alpha Phi Omega, no? Alpha Phi Omega. Ang dami din mga members ng Alpha Phi Omega who is attending ang 3 days General Assembly, no? And it is international event wherein members or APO members po coming from the Philippines as well as other countries, European countries po, nandito din po attending itong convention, General Assembly natin. But anyway, ang focus natin ngayon is more on sabihin natin how beautiful is Boracay po. If you remember, ang Boracay is one place where during the time of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, he decided to clean this island resort dahil sabi niya po, we should not kill the goose that is laying the golden egg, no? And maganda ang pagsabi natin, cleanliness, okay din po. Security wise, nakita natin po, we have I think these are tourist police po, no? Wherein dito sila, station sila dito to make sure that everything is in order. So now, ano muna tayo kay Mr. Danny Retorta. Sir, kumusta? I-hello muna tayo sa mga natin.
Okay naman po kami rito. Masaya naman kami rito kasama yung mga pamilya namin. At ito nakikita ko nga, maraming mga turista rito. At karamihan dito mga local tourists.
All the way from Zamboanga City po kaya?
Yes sir.
Okay, from Zamboanga City, ilan days kayo dito po?
Mga 5 araw po kami rito.
5 araw. So,
para sagad talaga ang
despite ang presyo ng gasolina tumaas po, medyo mag-problema tayo sa Pilipinas, but you still manage to find time and come and visit itong very famous island resort dito sa Pilipinas.
Yeah, totoo yan.
Together with Mr. Danny, ang Mrs. niya, no? Si Mrs. nandito din.
Opo sir, nandito po sila. Nandito po sila ngayon.
Okay, ano masasabi mo sa mga viewers natin dito po sa Nick Talk, The Real Talk with Nico?
Well, okay naman. Masaya.
You can advise them sa pupunta dito or no?
Well, okay yung lalo na yung mga gusto sa mga ganitong klaseng lugar. Pupunta na kayo sa Boracay dito. Masaya rito. Tsaka sa mga pagkain mura na naman. Hindi naman masyadong mahal. Kaya lang natin yan.
Okay, maraming salamat Mr. Danny Retorta. Yun po, no, one of the visitors dito sa Boracay po. So this time around, I am going to share with you ang view ng mga tao dito po sa beach mismo. And from here, I'm going to bring you ang mga, kasi I'm going to make a land tour dito sa sabihin natin island resort sa Boracay, and I will show you kung ano talaga itong lugar, bakit ito famous po. So okay, tingnan natin po, no, ang sabihin natin ang lugar po nandito po. Let's see. So ito na po, no? You can see ang this is the beach, no? Wherein you can see a lot of people po, no? And bago lang natapos ang sunset, and as what I said, I will do a, sabihin natin, land tour, but not today now, kasi ngayong gabi ngayon. So tomorrow morning as early as 5 o'clock, I'm going to do itong sabihin natin land tour. So I will show to you dito sa special report natin. I'm going to show you ang sabihin natin ano talaga, bakit kailangan pupunta tayo dito po sa Boracay, kung gusto na tayo i-unwind, no? Enjoy together with your family, no? Your girlfriend ba or whoever po, no? So you can see as 6 something na ngayon, kita ninyo po still marami pa tao dito sa beach. Station 2 tayo, nasa station 2 tayo po, no? And yes, ang daming nag-selfie dito. And yeah, if you notice na domestic tourists, no? I can see a lot of domestic tourists po. And bringing your pets dito po, okay din yan po, no? If you notice, ang beach nito sa Station 2 po, if you notice, ang dami talaga. This is the station, kasi may 4 na station sila dito. If you notice po, no? In front of the beach, no? Makita ninyo po, a lot of outlets. You can see different kinds of restaurants, no? And any kind of food, no? And price-wise, I would say reasonable. Price-wise, reasonable po. Ang haba pala ito, no? Mahaba talaga itong beach. So, okay. Hanggang dito na lang muna tayo po. And after itong natin, I'm going to show to you ang talaga ang Boracay. From Station 1 to Station 4. I'm going to cover talaga po ang Boracay, ano ba ito? Municipality ba ito? No? And at least you will have an idea kung how beautiful is Boracay, no? Ang dami mga tao. But my advice to you, if you come here po, take time, even one of your days nandito po. Let's say you're staying here for 3 days, no? One day, make sure that maligo kayo dito po sa Boracay Beach. Very crystal clear din ang water nila, and definitely I'm sure that you're going to enjoy. So next stop natin po, abangan, don't worry, and stick with me now hanggang matapos itong video clip natin, dahil ang dami pa po I'm going to share with you po. Ito po si Nico, and I hope you are enjoying itong special report natin dito po sa Nick Talk, Career Talk with Nico. Let's go to the other stage.
My baby, it's driving me crazy. Yo, you and me, suicidal, when you say it's over. Don't know there's a you. I don't wanna say it's over. All I Yes, man. Right about now, I'd like to sing a piece come from the grandson of Bob Marley. Hello. Good evening to all the people. Thank you for bringing the positive vibes. More music and more.
Okay, well, thank you very much. And we are going to start our land tour dito po sa Boracay. And what I'm going to do now is we are going to use itong ano nila, transportation. They call it tricycle. And yeah, we are going to start, no? From one place to the other, station 1 hanggang station 4 tayo. So at least makita natin kung paano ang sabihin natin ang ano talaga ang Boracay po. So ito ang tricycle nila and ready na ang si Mr. Danny Retorta together with Cynthia Retorta ang misis niya. And of course, ang better half ko po and si Mary, likewise si Shane ang daughter ko. Hindi na natin. Okay, start tayo ang tour natin. And ang pilot natin si Alex, no?
Morning po.
Alright. Ano not Lex?
Sa Sunrise. Sunrise mo tayo.
Alright. So we are going to Sunrise. Okay, ito. From the hotel. So we are now going out and mag-start na tayo ang sabihin natin ang land tour nila, no? Okay, ang first stop over natin dito po, we are going to see ang sabihin natin sunrise. Yeah, ang sunrise early in the morning, and it's 6 something already, and they call it route for Boracay. Alright, so ganito yon. So ito po, at least makita natin mangrove nila, well preserved, no? Ang gobyerno is very particular even on how to properly protect ang environment, which is very important, no? Which is very important, and this is the reason why Boracay has been known for, you know, really protecting, sabihin natin, ang environment. Alright, the sunrise. Ganda talaga po. Sunrise. And maaga pa. That's why wala pang maraming tao dito. But I was made to understand na this place is a place wherein also crowded by tourists. As what I said, ang turista dito, majority of them are, sabihin natin, domestic. Domestic po. Alright, you can see. Ganda po. Sunrise. Okay, this is what you call the Bulabog Beach, and marami din, dami din mga tao, despite that being early in the morning, dami din dito, they will come and enjoy ang sea breeze dito sa Bulabog Beach, Bulabog Beach po. And mayroon din sila mga stalls dito, food stalls. And let me share with you or show you itong sabihin natin ang beach nila. Early morning and yeah, kita natin meron din tayo ang I think this is the government staff cleaning the beach to make sure na okay ang clean ang beach nila. Even ang mga tricycles nila, they are going, the majority of them are electric tricycle dahil gusto talaga sila ang gobyerno dito, local government. They want that this place will be environment friendly, environment friendly. what we're going to do now is punta tayo doon talaga. Doon yan ang cave. So this is area din wherein a lot of tourists will come here and visit itong cave. Medyo may distansya lang po. Lakad tayo, mga senior citizens, medyo hirapan. But anyway, yeah, it's worthwhile. So tingnan natin ang beach nila, no? Sa Station 1 ito, no? Station 1. And yeah, tingnan natin ang partner natin si Sir Danny. So we'll see. Alright, okay. Okay, dumating na tayo dito po sa cave, no? This is what we call ang cave nila, and I was made to understand, ang dami daw itong everyday, ang dami mga turista dito. They will come and take their selfies, mga retrato po. And yummy, ang daming mga bisita. May 9 o'clock, punong-puno daw itong lugar dito. That is what we call a cave. Alright. Okay, well, thank you very much. Okay, nandito pa rin tayo sa cave, no?
Teka ba?
And yeah,
Dito ka ba? No?
nandito din si Mr. Danny together with the wife of si Cynthia. So, tingnan natin. Let's ask ang kumusta Mrs. De Torta? Kumusta anong masasabi mo tungkol sa sa lugar na ito?
Hello viewers, good morning. We are in Boracay Island and we really love the island. It's very beautiful and you can come and witness the beauty of the land.
All right.
Welcome, come.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yun po, narinig natin na satisfied siya when it comes to sabihin natin ang trip niya dito, no? Dito sa Boracay. And from here we are going I think sa isang village dito, mga natives. So I will share with you po, no? Kung kumusta ang mga buhay ng mga natives dito. And yeah, more. Standby lang kayo because mahaba pa ang land trip natin, tour trip natin dito sa Boracay. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa Puka Beach. This is the last beach dito po sa lugar nila, no? This is the third barangay, the last barangay din po. And still marami din tao. They will come here and visit, mga turista po. They will come and visit and may din ligo. Medyo high tide yata tayo ngayon. Puka Beach. Maaga pa, kaya nga we cannot see a lot of people kasi maaga pa, no? Okay. Nandito po. Ito na, Boracay. Okay. So, from here, punta na naman tayo, may grotto daw yun doon po sa beach. So we are going to visit that place and I'll show you kung how beautiful ang lugar na yan po. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa another beach ito and they call it a grotto, no? Became very famous kasi maraming tao dito. They will come and visit this beach only to go and see ang grotto. Nandun yan po, no? Kung low tide, let's say in the afternoon, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, lakarin mo lang yun eh. Then you can, ngayon medyo high tide pa. And you have to swim. O maglakad ka talaga. You have to get wet, no? Half of your body. So ito na po. Very famous ito. And ang dami pa rin mga tao dito. Maaga pa. Kaya nga you don't see crowded ang beach. Kasi maaga pa. It's only, what time ngayon? It's only 7:35. 7:35. But you can see a lot of people already. Mayroon ng mga tao. Nasa beach na sila, swimming. Okay, may mga bata. So from here, we go to another place. Okay, nandito tayo sa public market nila, no? And murang-mura ang mga things dito. And dami din mga turista di kami. And if you want mga local breakfast nila, nandito po, no?
Yes. Okay na.
See? Alright. So ito ang ano, sabi natin ang mga kuy-kuy nila and Filipino breakfast, you can see. And dito sa market nila, mura ang mga things that they're selling here. Parang public market ito, no? Parang public market ito. And siguro this is our last stopover, no? This is our last stopover. And as what I said, na maliit lang ang Boracay, no? Maliit lang ang Boracay, but a lot of people nandito po, especially mga turista. But I notice majority of the tourists here, 90% or 95% are domestic tourists. Ibig sabihin, this is sabihin natin, domestic tourists, mga Filipinos from different provinces dito sa Pilipinas. Although you can see also, mayroon din mga foreigners, no? Mga Europeans, Chinese, Koreans, but hindi talaga marami. So, siguro hanggang dito na lang. And at least nakita ninyo po ang sabihin natin ang Boracay, no? Boracay. It will not take too long when you do your land tour dito dahil maliit lang itong Boracay, but it's still very famous po. Famous ito when it comes to tourism. And one of the top, if I'm not mistaken, still the number one, the latest survey is still the number one island resort, no? Island resort po. So, ganon din po. Very particular sila sa cleanliness. They are very particular din po sa environment, no? In fact, what you see now, ang public transportation nila, the local government would require them lahat po e-trike na po, e-trike para conserve ang noise at saka ang wala silang mga smokes dito. Karamihan ng mga transportation dito po are electric transportation. So siguro with this po hanggang dito na lang muna ang natin, sabihin natin ang special coverage natin. So once again, si Nico Fabian, I would like to say thank you very much for making me a part of your day-to-day. Malaysia, Sabah, the Philippines, God bless us all. And sana po, maski paano, you enjoyed ang special coverage natin dito po sa Boracay. Bye! And I'll see you in my next episode. God bless us all. Godspeed. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay din ang Malaysia, and peace on earth. Bye. Love you all.